There is a file system with 600 GB, uses a file descriptor with 16 direct block address, 1 indirect address. Okay, and the size of each disk block they have given is 256 bytes. That means one disk block is capable to store 256 block bytes, and size of each disk block address is 8 bytes. Now they have asked that what is the maximum possible file size in the file system. So first of all, we will have to calculate that what is the file size with 16 direct blocks and what is the file size with one indirect address. Okay, and then we'll have to add both so that we can get our maximum file size. Okay, so first of all, if you are using 16 direct blocks, so with 16 direct block address, if we are using, okay, so 16 block addresses are there and each are having 256 of bytes. So total we can store 2 to the power 4 multiplied by 2 to the power 8, that is 2 to the power 12 bytes, and we can write it as 4 KB. Now if we are using one indirect addressing, so in one indirect addressing, first of all one block will be used to store the indices or the addresses of different disk blocks, and those disk blocks will be storing the data. So if with one indirect block addressing, okay, now we just see how many addresses we can keep within one block. Okay, just because one block will be used to store all the addresses of different disk blocks. So 256 bytes is the size of one block and 8 byte is the size of one address. So these many addresses we can store within one block, and on each address or each address, this particular amount will be, each address will be used to store 256 of bytes. So it will be 2 to the power 13 bytes, and you can write it as 8 KB. So the maximum file size we can have is equal to 4 KB plus 8 KB, that is in KB my answer will be 12 KB.